both Google and OpenAI have now enabled sharing your screen with either Gemini or ChatGPT. And basically this enables a whole new paradigm of interacting with these LLMs. I wanted to create a short video in showing some of the potential use cases, mainly focusing on product management. The way this basically works is you start by sharing your screen and then open the window that you're working on where you need help from the LLM. You prompt the LLM to provide some guidance on what support do you need. So for example, I have 3 different scenarios where I'll walk through analyzing a wireframe, working through a PRD, also looking at an analytics dashboard for the purpose of this demo. So let's jump into it. So you are a landing page expert. I want you to help me critique this landing page wireframe. As you can see, we have 2 sections. First one has a basic tagline, a widget, and in the second section, we have some profiles of top rated vets. Let's start with the first section.
Okay, regarding the first section, the tagline, "Your pet's health, our expertise," is a common one and doesn't really communicate a unique value proposition to the user. To improve the conversion rate, consider replacing this with a more compelling headline that emphasizes the benefits of using your directory, such as, "Find the best vet near you, quickly and easily."
Okay, what do you think about the location and search widget?
Okay, the location search widget currently uses a text field for city or zip code. While simple, this approach can be problematic. Users might enter inconsistent data, leading to inaccurate or incomplete results. To improve this, consider implementing an autocomplete feature that provides suggestions as the user types. That way, the results become more relevant and lead to higher user engagement and conversion.
Okay, and what do you think about these vet cards?
Okay, I'm assuming you're referring to the cards in the top-rated veterinarians section of the landing page. The cards provide some basic information about each vet, such as their name, specialization, rating, and years of experience. To optimize this section for conversion, consider adding more compelling visuals, such as a clear photo of the veterinarian and perhaps a short, engaging bio or customer reviews to add credibility.
I'm working on a PRD for a return flow for an e-commerce platform. Can you take a look at section 5.1 and suggest what other important metrics we should be tracking?
Okay, besides what is listed in section 5. 1, you could also track the following important metrics. The number of returns by customer segment to understand which customer group is returning more products, which can help you find areas of improvement. The percentage of returned items that are resold or need to be disposed of, which can help you understand inventory and cost implications. You could also track customer sentiment related to returns by tracking the sentiment of feedback on the returns process itself to help uncover areas for improvement. Also, you might consider tracking the return rate by different shipping methods. This will help you identify any discrepancies that might be impacting return rates.
I'm looking at this SaaS metrics dashboard. I have an exec review in 15 minutes. What critical question should I expect in the review?
That's a good question. Based on the dashboard, you might expect questions about the decrease in trial conversion rate and the average sales cycle. It would also be good to address the 3% decrease in new logo arranged by anti-signups, even with the increase in signups. Do you want to look into each of these points in more detail?
Can you suggest some hypothesis for the decrease in average sales cycle?
Certainly. One hypothesis is that the sales team might be focusing more on larger, more complex deals, which naturally take longer to close. Another hypothesis could be that there are some bottlenecks in the sales process. A third hypothesis is that there is an increase in customer need for more information or proof points before committing to a purchase.
I'm curious to hear how you're using this today. Please do share in the comments. Thank you.